Do you know how much is 22 million? 22 million means 2.2 crore of user data have been hacked from Unacademy. Unacademy is a online training platform, online learning platform, and completely opponent to Udemy. That means all the information, all the knowledge, all the different kind of tutorial videos you can watch through Unacademy. Now 22 million of user data have been leaked from Unacademy application. What we need to consider here, stay tuned to the end. The user data from Unacademy along with some popular data like Facebook, Google and Cognizant data has been leaked. All the data, all the login information is now on sale on dark web. How much is the price? Only $2,000 and you will get 22 million of user data. Shocked? Right? Recently this hack has been done. In this hack, your username, your password, your last login date, your profile ID, your profile picture, all the information has been shared with the hacker, and hacker is now selling that 22 million of user data on the dark web. Himesh Singh, the co-founder of Unacademy, has told that only the email ID of only 11 million users have been hacked. That means 50% of users email ID has been hacked. What next step we need to do? We need to change our password in order to protect our data. Unacademy will also notify us to change our password in the account. He told that all the information like particular banking details, privacy information like your transaction detail is not shared with the hacker. Hacker don't have permission to look onto that. That means the private data, transaction data, bank and financial data has been secured with Unacademy. They are now changing their encryption method to more stronger method so that they could prevent more attack on them. Now as I told you that plenty of cyber attack has been done recently, everyone should consider changing their encryption method, how to be strong, how to be protective in the cyber criminal attack area. Let me tell you that in the recession time, while everyone is sitting from home, the intelligent guy, the intelligent candidates are trying to learning new technology while sitting in the home. So in that condition, the candidates are more interested to learn new technology online. Now two platforms come to picture. One is Udemy, another is Unacademy. Both provide the same information, provide the same knowledge, provide the same tutorial courses. Now the Unacademy is getting so popular that it has been raised $110 million new investment into its account. If you don't have an account on Unacademy, create one, or if you have an account, then chances are that your information has been shared with the hacker. Your next step is to change the password and start learning again. Everything will be fine after that. If you like this kind of technology software related videos, you can check out to my other videos where you can get all the information about the software industry. Hope this video is helpful for you. Right now I'm signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.